Are you looking for the best shoe cabinets? In this video we will look at some of the 9 best shoe cabinets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KUMIUNION Brown Shoe Cabinet for Entryway. KUMIUNION Brown Shoe Cabinet for Entryway is a modern shoe storage solution that reduces clutter and dust. The slim cabinet has 3 tiltable drawers with adjustable dividers, providing flexible storage for up to 24 pairs of shoes. The flat cabinet top offers additional display and storage space. Safety is ensured with an anti-tipping device. The streamlined design fits any style of space, making it an interesting and eye-catching piece of furniture that is easy to assemble. What we like: adjustable dividers and tiltable drawers for quick and easy access to shoes. Flexible storage for up to 24 pairs of shoes. Safety ensured with anti-tipping device. Flat cabinet top provides additional display and storage space. Streamlined design fits any style of space. Number 2. TENNTOU Flip Drawers Shoe Storage Cabinet. The TENNTOU Flip Drawers Shoe Storage Cabinet is a modern and fashion shoe organizer cabinet for your entryway, hallway, bedroom, and anywhere in your home. It has an open-work flip drawer, large capacity, adjustable shelves, easy-to-clean surface, and sturdy structure. The flip drawer ensures easy access to your shoes while keeping them away from dust, and the adjustable shelves can hold shoes of different sizes. This shoe storage cabinet is perfect for organizing your shoes and keeping your room tidy. What we like: modern and fashion design, large capacity with 2 flip drawers and adjustable shelves, easy to clean and sturdy MDF structure. Number 3. HOPUBUY White Shoe Cabinet with Flip-Down Design. The HOPUBUY shoe cabinet is a slim and modern shoe storage solution for your entryway. It has a flip-down design that can hold up to 15 pairs of shoes and is made of high-quality MDF in white lacquer. The platform is spacious enough to place small items on top, and the cabinet can be wall-mounted for safety. This shoe cabinet is perfect to complement any existing furniture in a room and is delivered within 2 days with excellent customer service. What we like: space-saving flip-down design, high-quality MDF material in white lacquer, spacious platform for small items. Number 4. Topiakmart Wood Shoe Cabinet. The Topiakmart Wood Shoe Cabinet is a shoe storage solution that is made from safe and durable materials. It has ample storage space for up to 12 pairs of shoes and comes with a spacious drawer for storing small items. The louver door design allows for better ventilation and closing to extend the service life of shoes, and an anti-tipping strap ensures extra safety and stability. The cabinet is easy to clean and comes with all hardware and an illustrated manual for quick and easy assembly. What we like: durable and safe materials, ample storage space for up to 12 pairs of shoes, louver door design for better ventilation and closing to extend the service life of shoes, anti-tipping strap for extra safety and stability, easy to clean and comes with all hardware and an illustrated manual for quick and easy assembly. Number 5. Tribesigns Shoe Cabinet with Flip Drawers and 5 Shelves. Tribesigns Shoe Cabinet is a freestanding tipping bucket shoe storage cabinet that helps you keep your shoe collection clean and organized. It features a combination of drawers and shelves design, including 3 flip drawers, 5 tiers of open storage shelves, 2 hanging hooks, and a high enough bottom to provide you with a high-quality life. The heavy-duty freestanding shoe cabinet has a large capacity, holding up to 9.5 size shoes, and is suitable for most flat shoes. The adjustable feet pads make it easy to stand on uneven ground. Made of E1 grade particle board with a white finish and a golden metal handle, this shoe storage cabinet is easy to open and will resist for years. All components are labeled, and detailed instructions are included for fast assembly. What we like: flexible storage space, easy to assemble, heavy-duty construction. Number 6. FUFU&GAGA 4-tier tall shoe cabinet with 4 flip drawers. The FUFU&GAGA shoe cabinet is a modern, freestanding shoe storage organizer that comes with 4 flip drawers for maximum storage. Made with waterproof and durable MDF, This shoe cabinet is easy to clean and maintain. With an overall size of 21.7 W x 9.8 D x 61H, this shoe cabinet provides sufficient storage space to help you say goodbye to messy shoes. The shoe cabinet is easy to assemble and comes with labeled parts and illustrated instructions. It is a small footprint that can easily fit into your home, office or dorm room. Its pure white design adds a touch of elegance to any space. The top platform is spacious enough to place small items, and the cabinet can also be used to store your wallet and keys. With reliable customer service, the FUFU&GAGA shoe cabinet is a great addition to your home. What we like: sturdy and durable, sufficient storage space, easy to assemble, space-saving design, can store small items on top platform. Number 7. Baxton Studio Cormier Shoe Storage Cabinet. The Baxton shoe cabinet is made of engineered wood and has a circular black PVC inset door handle. It has a walnut brown finish and dark brown finished PVC legs. This shoe cabinet has 5 shelves that can store up to 10 pairs of shoes and a drawer with a cutout handle. The dimensions of this shoe cabinet are 43.8 inches high x 30.6 inches wide x 13.3 inches deep. Assembly is required. With its ample storage, this shoe cabinet is perfect for organizing and tidying up your shoe collection. The circular black PVC inset door handles add a touch of style to the furniture, while the walnut brown finish gives it a classic look. The Baxton Studio also offers a 30-day parts replacement warranty on all items, which gives you peace of mind when making a purchase. What we like: ample storage, 30-day parts replacement warranty, stylish design. Number 8. Baxton Studios Sims 3-tier modern shoe cabinet. The Baxton Studios Sims 3-tier modern shoe cabinet is an ideal storage solution for your shoe collection. With 3 spacious compartments, this cabinet provides ample space to store your shoes, keeping them organized and easily accessible. The cabinet is made of high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting. The installation manual is provided in PDF format to ensure proper assembly. The cabinet is designed to fit into any modern home decor and is perfect for those who want to keep their shoes organized and easily accessible. The cabinet is easy to clean and maintain, making it a convenient addition to any home. What we like: spacious compartments, durable materials, easy to assemble. Number 9. Pemberly Row 3-drawer wood shoe cabinet in white. The Pemberly Row shoe cabinet has a contemporary design with top and bottom molding and bronze-colored round metal handles. It can accommodate up to 18 to 21 pairs of shoes, including male-sized N shoes. This cabinet is perfect for small spaces and entryways, providing a modern and cohesive ambience. It features 2 rows of storage in each drawer, making it a great shoe rack storage organizer. What we like: modern and cohesive design, can hold up to 18-21 pairs of shoes. Great for small spaces and entryways.